Hello everyone. Today we have a new topic to discuss about because Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has introduced a new scheme. The scheme is known as Sahakar Mitra scheme. This scheme is a kind of internship program which is initiated by National Cooperative Development Corporation, that is NCDC. The expansion is National Cooperative Development Corporation. So, before getting into the details, let us first see what is this National Cooperative Development Corporation is. So, it was established in 1963 by an act. So, it is the only statutory corporation for these cooperative bodies, and this is under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Its headquarters in Delhi, and this is working through its regional offices in various areas. It has many regional offices. The main aim of this NCDC is that it will help various activities of agricultural marketing, etc. So it will be involving in planning, promoting programs, planning and also promoting programs for the production, then processing, then marketing, storage, export, import of agricultural products, okay, and also foodstuff, industrial goods and livestock. So all these things, processing, marketing, export, import, all these activities are planned and promoted by this National Cooperative Development Corporation or NCDC. So we will get back to the news. This NCDC has initiated this Sahakar scheme, or this Sahakar Mitra scheme, and this is, I told this is an internship program, scheme on internship program, and this is in line with this self-reliant India or Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme launched by our PM. So the main content of this scheme is that the students or the professional or the internal interns will get a financial support over this internship program over 4 months. So this is a kind of paid internship. There will be payment for this 4-month internship program by the government, and for that internship, students, professionals can apply through online, and the website also launched by this minister. And the main advantages of the scheme, if you are checking, is that it will provide an opportunity for the young professionals for the practical exposure, because they are giving an internship in their in the practical field. So what they are getting is they are getting experiences. This is very important for an young professional. So they will be able to learn by working in the field, whereas what the cooperatives is getting is they will be getting new and innovative ideas from these young professionals. So both of them are getting some benefit out of this scheme. That is, cooperatives are getting new and innovative ideas from these professionals, and professionals are getting this experiences from this cooperatives, okay, as they are working in the field. Then and also this will provide opportunity for the professional from this academic institution to develop a kind of entrepreneurship roles and leadership through the cooperatives as farmers producers organization. There is farmer producer organization, so through that they will be getting a kind of leadership experiences by working this kind of organization. So you will be so farmers producers organization means this is a kind of organization of a group of farmers producers. So they have formed a group, and that organization is known as farmer producers organization. This is a registered body with producers as the shareholders in this organization. So all the members or producers will be having a membership, and it is registered, and they are the shareholders in this organization. So this is mainly, or they are formed such an organization mainly to deal with the business activities related to the farm produce, and it work for the benefit of the member producers. So this is just an organization with the farmer producers, and they will be working for the benefit of their business activities related to the farm producers. So these people who are professionals working with them will be getting a kind of leadership experiences also. So that is also benefiting for them. Then another point is that as this is a paid internship program, this will attract youth more. This will attract more youth to the farm related or agriculture related job opportunities. Okay, so they will try more these kind of professions. And who are the people eligible for applying this Sahagar Mitra scheme? So it is said that professional graduates in a discipline such as IT, agriculture and allied areas are eligible for this internship, and also professional who have been pursuing or completed their MBA degrees in corporation finance, then agribusiness, forestry, international trade, project management, rural development, etc. also will be eligible for this scheme. Okay, and as I told you, online portals has been launched by the minister, so they can apply through this portals. So this NCDC has been introducing so many schemes in order to promote or in order to help this kind of professionals. Earlier there was another scheme, TULIP, you might be remembering, because that was for internship in smart city programs. Okay, so likewise this is a new kind of internship program for the professionals. So hope this also will be helping these professionals to get the experience, and so this will be motivating this will be a boost for our economy during this corona dilemma period. So that's all. Thank you.